Today we're going to be cooking Cornish hen with fruits and vegetables. So now we're going to make our seasoning blend. Italian seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, rosemary, dried rosemary, Glaze, Tony sachets or gunpowder spice, salt, and smoked paprika. Let's combine them. Now let's mix them together. Taste. That's good seasoning. Let's add some to our fruits and vegetables. Now mix. Vegetables and seasonings are now mixed. Time to move on to the next step. Time to make our glaze. Add fresh pineapple juice, brown sugar, dark brown sugar to be exact, water, liquid smoke, and honey. Mix well. Now taste. Good to go. So we got the bird. So now we're gonna add some chicken stock to the bottom, or stuff doesn't stick. I'm gonna coat it at the bottom a little bit. I got a little bit of juice. Now put the chicken stock aside. Now add the leftover of your seasoning onto the bird. Now flip it. the rest of your seasoning. Put it all around it. Oh yeah, give it a massage. Okay, it's all ready to go. Now add your glaze. There we go. Now time to add our vegetables. Time to add our vegetables and fruits and all that in there too. So, add it in. You want to put as much in there as you could and can. Adding in my potatoes. Now, time to add in the other vegetable and fruit. Look how good that looks. Ooh-wee. That looks good. Nice and fresh still. So, now we need to cook it for 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And we'll be back with you. Time for the taste test. Let's try it. Got a good flavor, good amount of seasoning. You can adjust how much seasoning you put by how much you put on your vegetables and your meat. And let me try a vegetable. Let's try an onion. That's really good. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye!